Hi guys, this is Vibhuti Arora, your face yoga and face tools practitioner. Welcome to the L Beauty Carnival. Today I am going to demonstrate a beautiful cleansing and jaw sculpting routine using 3 face tools. In this video, you will also learn how to pair the Kansa, the Jade Gua Sha and any other jade roller that you may have. Me, of course, I am using the black one for anti-aging. You could choose whatever you have at home. Jade rollers are pretty much the toothbrushes of face tools now. We all gotta have one, right? We are going to start with the Kansa Wand first because Kansa is a cleansing tool. Of course, it's also a dosha balancing tool and can be used for mild sculpting. But for me, when you're layering these tools with a guasha or a jade roller, it is better that you first balance the acidity level of your skin or the pH levels as I like to call it. Reduce the heat, detox and then move on to step 2, which would be sculpting. Let's start by pairing it with the Kumkumadi Telum, which is safe for all skin types and can be used for acne skin as well. It's a great oil for pigmentation reduction, uneven skin tone reduction or for cleansing or removing your makeup as well. That's why I love using Kumkumadi oils at night. Let's take some of the oil into your palm. I never talk about direct application of the dropper onto the face because it then could lead to microbial transfer. Now remember, the Kansa can be used for your scalp or for your forehead primarily. So I like to apply the oil starting onto my forehead and then using it in a slapping motion all over my face and neck. This side of the Kansa is for your scalp, your feet or your body. And this side of the Kansa, the smaller Kansa Vati massage is always for your face. Remember that when you're using any Kansa wand. We start at the third eye with a firm press for 60 seconds and then do gentle circles. Then move upwards to the marma point and again do few clockwork rotations like this. Lift the tool and then do a zigzag massage all the way till your temples. Stop at your first temple. Give it a circular massage again. You could do these circles between 3 to 6 reps. Now remember, there is a temple triangle present in our hairline. From here you go upwards, you will find another marma point or a temple. Don't forget to massage or de-stress this point with the Kansa as well. Lift, come back to your original temple and then go downwards near your ear to find that marma point and massage in a circular direction as well. Repeat the same on the other side. And lift. Now we will start with the cleft of our chin or the dimple that some of us get. You could actually just place it in the center of your chin. Circular massages 3 to 6 times. Take this all the way along your jawline till your ear. Now behind your earlobe is another major stress storage point and I would love for you to de-stress it. Take this Kansa downward for further enhanced lymphatic drainage till your collarbone. Repeat on the other side. For anyone who usually has a stuffy nose or blocked sinuses, you could press it on the side of your nose like this. Both sides. For digestion improvement, press it on the lower nostril point like this. And take this, giving yourself a mild sculpt simultaneously all the way under your cheek. Circles and drainage. Repeat on the other side. Once you've done this ritual, your face will oxidize. There will be a layer on your face. You can wash your face, reapply the oil of your choice and move on to step 2, which is a guasha massage. That's why I call the Kansa a cleansing heat reducing tool. The best part about layering face tools is you could reapply multiple oils onto your face, giving yourself complete nourishment. Now I'm actually going to apply a Peach-Jojoba or any plant-based oil of your choice before your gua sha sculpt. To know how big I am on facial hygiene, please sanitize your tool with isopropyl alcohol or wash it with soap and water before or after every use. Once you've applied the oil all over your face, follow along for this gua sha ritual. Support your chin, place the indented side of the gua sha on your jaw and start to tone or sculpt like this 6 times. I'm only doing 3 for the purpose of this video, but please go up to 6 times for proper results. For anyone who has muscle tension or feels a pain in your masseter, stop at this point. Masseter is a chewing muscle and go 6 circles clockwise and anti-clockwise, de-stressing this muscle, taking that stress all the way from the back of your ear, down your neck, till your clavicle and initiate stress release or lymphatic drainage. Now we will still use the indented side of the gua sha for that perfect cheek contour. For the apple of our cheek, place your gua sha as flat as possible onto your face and start to sculpt, my lovelies. Now, for everyone who has a smile line or a nasolabial fold issue, we use the larger side of the gua sha. Place it as flat as possible, lift the skin, twist to build muscle memory, wriggle and release. Again, do this step 6 times like this. Had too much wine last night, woke up to under eye bags? Worry not, use this side of the gua sha in a circular 8 massage like this to initiate a drain. Use the larger side of the gua sha across your forehead for stress relief, muscle tension relief. This is in fact a face yoga exercise that you can do with your fingers as well to reduce the forehead tension or forehead stiffness that we all face. My favorite part of the gua sha comes to nose chiseling. Who thought you could actually tighten your nose muscles or the nasalis muscles without rhinoplasty or without nose surgery? Gua sha to the rescue. See how? I'm going to use the pointed side of the gua sha to lift this muscle that tends to get lethargic over time like this. See the difference? That's what I'm talking about. Let's sculpt the other side as well. Now, nose aging part 2 happens when the nose tends to bend downwards, creating a hook here. We use this side of the gua sha, place it under the nose, lift the hook, press our acupressure points just below our eyebrows, lift and wriggle into our hairline, building that muscle memory. Do this 3 to 6 times as well, my lovelies. The gua sha can also be used to release compression of stiff necks and shoulders. Use this side of the gua sha first in an upward motion once. Now remember, it's only the back or the side of the neck we go upwards, and then continuous downward motions, deknoting this area, giving yourself a deep pressure massage. Now remember, when you're toning or tightening your neck, anchor your neck with 2 fingers and then use the larger side of the gua sha in a downward massage like this. Wriggle all that stress and muscle tension out of your face and see visible results in 3 weeks for a firmer jaw and sculpted cheeks. My third product for this video is the Jade roller. I know each one of you have it. Well, you could use this as the last step of your beauty ritual because today we're using the Jade roller for a cool down instead of a stimulation. We've already stimulated our muscles with the Kansa and the gua sha. We're going to chill the Jade roller whether in a glass of ice or in your fridge 15 minutes before usage, and start giving ourselves a relaxing muscle lifting massage like this. Another pro tip would be, do not just use the jade roller like this. Give yourself a firm massage to actually relax the muscles. Start from your jaw upwards 6 times, your cheeks upwards again. Use the smaller side of the jade roller to drain the water that our muscles would have also released. Swipe, lift, drain. For your eye, I like to give my jade rollers a firm grip with my index finger so that they don't slip like this. Go over your eyelid, hold. It would not slip because you're now supporting it with your index finger, and then initiate a drain. Remember, with all our tools, we work on the central axis and we give a lifting massage. We never come back bringing any lymphatic fluid or muscle tension back to the central axis. Never. Starting back with the larger roller, lifting my forehead or frontalis muscle like this. Once you've done this, always do a downward last drainage massage. You could also use this for a nose stimulation massage like this. We did work our nasalis muscle with the Gua Sha. Voila! Our 3 face tool layering ritual is complete. Do this 3 times a week for 3 weeks. I would love to see your pictures of a sculpted face just like Kareena Kapoor. Happy pampering!